Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for flyer design. First, open Canva and search for flyer templates. You will find a wide array of options to suit any purpose. Select a template that catches your eye, or start with a blank canvas for complete creative freedom. This initial step sets the foundation for your design project, making it simple to begin creating a professional-looking flyer quickly and efficiently. Once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it. Click on any text box to edit the content, font, size, and color. You can easily upload your own images or logos by dragging and dropping them into your design. Explore Canva's extensive library for additional graphics, icons, and photos. Experiment with different color palettes and background options to match your brand or event theme perfectly. To make your flyer truly stand out, add compelling visual elements. Browse Canva's vast collection of stock photos, illustrations, and icons. Drag and drop them onto your design, then resize and reposition as needed. You can also use shapes and lines to create visual hierarchy and guide the viewer's eye. Don't forget to experiment with image filters and effects to give your photos a polished, professional look. After perfecting your flyer, it's time to download and share it. Click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design as a high-quality PDF for printing, or as a JPG or PNG for digital use on social media or websites. Canva also offers direct sharing options and even professional printing services. Choose the format that best suits your needs for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.